When it comes to classic muscle cars, few names evoke the same amount of nostalgia and excitement as the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Renowned for its sharp lines and powerful performance, the Camaro has become a true icon of American automotive history. However, what happens when you take one of these legendary cars and give it a modern-day performance upgrade? The result is a stunning Restomod that blends the best of both worlds, a sleek, aggressive look with the power and technology of today. One such example is this superb 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, a car that has been meticulously restored and upgraded to provide a driving experience like no other. Finished in a striking, mean green color, this Camaro is the perfect blend of classic and modern. It has all the visual appeal of the original, with a few enhancements that make it truly unique. Under the hood, this Camaro has undergone significant modifications to increase both its performance and reliability. The heart of the car is a high-performance V8 engine that pushes out an impressive amount of horsepower. The car's suspension system has been upgraded for better handling, and its brakes have been beefed up to ensure that it can stop just as well as it goes. Thanks to these upgrades, the Camaro isn't just a beautiful machine, but also a high-performance powerhouse capable of delivering the raw power muscle car enthusiasts crave. Inside, the cabin has been reworked to offer a more refined driving experience. While it retains the classic feel of the 1969 Camaro, modern touches have been added for comfort and convenience. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, and the dashboard features a mix of original elements and new tech, like a modern infotainment system, all designed to enhance the driving experience without taking away from the car's vintage charm. Perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of this Restomod Camaro is its attention to detail. Every element of the car, from the sleek paint job to the custom interior, has been thoughtfully designed to provide an authentic yet modern experience. It's the kind of car that could easily turn heads at a classic car show or burn rubber on the open road. Whether you're a fan of the Camaro or just an admirer of classic American muscle cars, this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod is sure to leave a lasting impression. It's a prime example of how classic cars can be transformed for modern performance, all while retaining their original charm and appeal. For car lovers, it's the best of both worlds. With its combination of stunning aesthetics, upgraded performance, and attention to detail, this Camaro is an automotive masterpiece that's bound to leave a mark on anyone who lays eyes on it. It's not just a car, it's a statement.